Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android device maintenance. Keep your phone running smoothly. Before you turn over your phone for repairs, follow this video to turn on maintenance mode. Open the settings menu, scroll down and select battery and device care. Tap on maintenance mode at the bottom of the list. Then, confirm your choice by tapping Turn On. A prompt asks you to create a system log before activating the mode. This provides the technicians with additional details to troubleshoot the problem. It doesn't contain any personally identifiable information. When your phone reboots, it will be in maintenance mode, with all your data locked away from prying eyes. You can then hand your phone or tablet to a technician to complete the necessary repairs. The feature is only useful when minor repair work is done on your smartphones. It isn't of any use if there are significant issues that require a logic replacement or a complete system format. In such situations, you must back up your personal data before handing your phone to the service center. Otherwise, be prepared to lose access to it. Samsung or any Android devices or phones, tablets that are compatible with maintenance mode. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you again on the next video.